In front of me is a LENOVO Smartwatch Ego or EGO. Not exactly sure which one it is, but anyway, today we'll go over unboxing and just a quick look at the watch itself. So I just pop it open straight away. There we go. So, and here we get the watch. And a charging cable. And that's about it. Oh, instructions at the bottom, but no one really cares about this. I would say neatly packaged watch, but that will be a joke. Now, in here we get the watch. As you can see now, the display looks much smaller than it actually did on the screen right here. So, yeah, this looks kind of laughable in comparison. Anyway, let's see if I can find out how to turn it on. Now, I am aware that I'm holding it upside down. Oh, there we go. There's actually some ratings. We have light, start. There we go. Anything? Reset, maybe? Now, it is possible that this is just that it needs to be charged, though that'll be really weird. Let's see. Okay, so we got a charging indicator. Oh, for goodness sake, I'm just gonna look at the manual. I think this will be the first time I actually need to use a manual. So, the idea of turning it on shouldn't be that complicated. Hold the start button. So I was correct about that one, though it does nothing. Oh, there we go. So great. Guess it was and then need to be charged just a little bit. As you can see now, it's turned on. Now obviously once it turns on, you can see that this kind of looks like a really old watch that people used to wear like in the 90s, and though it has a little bit of more behind it besides the obvious thing that you can see right here. It does have like heart rate monitoring, I believe, sleep monitoring, some couple of sport modes, and that's about it. Now it does connect with your phone via Bluetooth. Obviously it is a smartwatch, and the reason to go for this over something like just bring up my watch, over something like this, it's off, so great. as number one, the obvious reasons that this is not on my hand right now, is because this needed to be charged. Hello, come on. And apparently 5 watts isn't actually charging it. Okay, that's amazing. So yeah, benefit for going for something like this over this is obviously the battery life. This has about 2 days of battery life, and this has about 10 times more what they're advertised, and it's apparently advertised of normal usage, so it is not just like, oh, standing idly for you to not touch it ever. It is an actual like normal use of 20 days about, and it has a 110 milliamp hour battery built into it. And additionally, probably one of the good things about it would be it has a 5 atmosphere water resistance. So 5 atmosphere is about 50 meters in water. Now this does vary on a couple factors, but it is roughly about 50 meters. So yeah, it can go pretty deep. That's what she said. So yeah. Obviously this watch won't be for everybody. It has its perks. Probably outdoors users and just like fitness and stuff like that would be great. People that need the watch to actually last a little bit longer than 2 days. And obviously this will do anything that the watch needs to do in terms of like a normal watch, plus a couple smart features which do require a phone to actually, I believe, view them. So let's see, we have modes which calories, so it calculates how much calories you have burned. I believe this is sleep time, steps, kilometers, calories. Now let's see what we have here. Reset. Okay, so we have lighting, though I'm going to show that in a second how that looks like. And we have start, so this is stopwatch. So yeah, now actually showing you the light on it. Gonna turn off a couple lights around here just so it's a little bit darker. Let's turn down this one. There we go, perfect. So we have light, and the monitor still gives off way too much light. There we go. Now, I will be honest, this is really hard to see on the camera. That is because if I would actually, there we go, bring up exposure a little bit, it might look a little bit better. This just looks like a typical watch out of like the 90s, the glowing backplate to it. It looks way better in person than I can actually show you off on the camera. It is really difficult to actually get it to look good on the camera. In person, the lighting looks way better in my opinion. So anyway, let's just re-enable all the lights again. There we go. So yeah, that's basically it. The watch seems to be just okay. Honestly, for the price that this costs, if you're planning to do stuff outdoors, honestly, you can't really go wrong with it. I just checked it online, the price for it, and it was coming out to be like, what was it, $15–20, something like that, though it was on sale on a site that I was checking out. The reason why I'm kind of struggling with giving you the actual like price in dollars is because I live in Poland, and the site that I was checking was in PLN, which is about a fourth of the price, or 1 PLN is basically 4 PLN per $1. That's what I mean. And obviously when you look at the prices in US, they don't include taxes, which for me in here, taxes are already included in the price. So yeah, honestly, for the price that this comes at, it is honestly way cheaper than, maybe not way cheaper, but it is cheaper than something like a Xiaomi Mi Band, though Xiaomi Mi Band has a color display, has a couple more features to it, and I believe it will be about the same battery life. So if you're looking for something really cheap, rugged, and also something that can take into a swimming pool and dive without any problem, this is actually a really good option here. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.